18 is 1/4 of 72.
Okay.
So if you look in the 18-point spacing material and find a 4 rem unit.
Yeah.
There's two ways of doing this. One is to actually take it out and put it down, which you can do. If you have a lead top and bottom, then you can keep it all together. Fingers on the ends actually push along the length of the lines, and then it all stays together. And you can pick it up and move it around. Tentatively do it when I feel that is now slightly bigger, but that's all right. We'll live with that. Okay, now try and think where you want to put that with the type here defined. You have to have that. I mean, that's the edge that the paper's held on.
Yeah.
The other one, you can choose that one or that one. Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
Do it. So that's actually what I would probably do first. So have a look in the ground the white spirit. We're in back. Come on to there. That will start feeding into the system. You want a bit more?